You send an inquiry before you leave work. The supplier responds while you're fast asleep. You reply the next morning, but they've already logged off for the day. This time zone hide and seek is exactly why a simple conversation on Alibaba.com can drag into a 2-week-long ordeal. For most business owners, sourcing isn't a growth activity. It's an administrative black hole. You aren't just finding suppliers, you're spending half of your life just waiting for them. So stop being a slave to the refresh button. Today, we're moving beyond chatbots and spreadsheets. I'm introducing you to Accio Work, your dedicated sourcing workspace that negotiates, follows up, and closes deals while you sleep. But first, let's talk about what Accio Work actually is. A lot of AI tools today are basically chatbots. You ask questions, and they give you answers. Accio Work is different. It's a desktop workspace designed specifically for sourcing and procurement. It doesn't just help you find information, it helps you do the work. I'm also going to leave a link to my other video just in case you want a more general overview of what Accio Work can do. Think of it as having a sourcing professional sitting right beside you, equipped with industry data, supplier intelligence, and trade-specific skills that help manage the sourcing process from start to finish. Instead of jumping between supplier websites and spreadsheets and emails and messaging apps, Accio Work brings the workflow into one place. And today we're focusing on how to manage sourcing products 24/7. So let's say you've already identified a few suppliers. Normally, this is where the back and forth begins. You ask for pricing, you wait. You ask for lead times, you wait. You request certifications, you wait. You follow up, and you wait some more. The actual negotiation may only require a handful of messages, but because of time zone differences, it can drag on for days. And this is where Accio Work's auto chat changes everything. Once you install the Accio Sourcing Toolkit plugin, you can start saving time sourcing your products instead of manually managing every interaction. You simply tell Accio what you're trying to achieve. So let's dive in and see the Accio Work Sourcing Toolkit in action. To get started, I've opened the Accio Work desktop program. So this is what we're looking at the moment. And I want to install the new Sourcing Toolkit plugin. So all I need to do is navigate over to plugins. And then here's where I'm going to locate the Accio Sourcing Toolkit. To install this plugin is simply click this plus button. And we can see that is installed because now you can see that we have this chat icon where the plus sign used to be. To get started, type in a prompt. You don't have to be a prompting expert. There really is no expertise needed to source these products. You just need to insert what it is that you're looking for. Now, me personally, I'm actually working on a project that is going to require product sourcing. I am designing my own Oracle cards and I'm going to need to get those printed. So I definitely want to see what kind of quotes I can get from Alibaba.com. I'm just going to type in right now what I'm looking for. Some of this info is a little detailed. You probably wouldn't even need to get this detailed yet if you were just starting your process, but I'm looking for a custom Oracle deck. I want the card size to be 88 by 126 millimeters with rounded corners. I want 44 cards per set. Printing is going to be 4 colors over 4 colors. The surface finish, I am tossing between matte and glossy. I'm not really sure yet. I do want purple foil edges because that's going to set my cards apart. It should come with a guidebook. The guidebook needs to be the same size as the cards. There'll be 100 interior pages. Printing is going to be 4 colors for the cover and then black and white in the interior. The surface finish for the book needs to be matte lamination printing for inside pages. And then it needs to come with a standard box with a lid to fit the cards with 4 color over 4 color printing. So this is how I'm going to get started. All I need to do is submit that and then we'll wait and see what it comes back with. Okay, so it worked for about 1.5 minutes and it is listing out some of the manufacturers that it found for custom Oracle deck production. The one thing it said is that it didn't necessarily find the ready-made listings matching my purple foil edge requirements. So we're gonna put that in our back pocket as we work through things and make sure that the manufacturers that we want to engage with are at least capable of matching the majority of the other items that we're looking for. So I can see just from a quick listing, we've got a lot of matches here. You can also view more suppliers. They've got a couple of pages of suppliers, it's looking like. So lots of options to choose from. I do want to move forward with getting some pricings. To get my pricing quote, all I'm going to do, I'll scroll back up here. I'm going to choose the top 5. So I'm going to click select here, and we can see that that has added this one to our prompt box. I'm going to do the same for the next few, and then we'll get our 5th one here. So now you can see that I have selected these 5 manufacturers. So all I have to do now is type in a prompt, and I've gone with compare the top 5 suppliers. So all I need to do now is click here. It came back again, worked for about a minute and a half, and then it pulled the 5 suppliers that it has identified as the top suppliers and is breaking them down with a little bit of a comparison chart. It has identified a front runner, so it's kind of giving that one a gold medal, a silver medal, but we're just looking how they compare. So right here, we can see the top 5 here, and then we've got different categories that we can compare them at. We've also can see some key trade-offs and advice. And then we are also presented with 4 more option prompts. So the nice thing is like if this is like your first time sourcing products and you don't really feel comfortable, you literally are being guided through every step of the process. Now we can send inquiries to recommended suppliers, which is going to require us to enable the AI auto chat, which is automatically going to start communicating with these manufacturers for us. We could order recommended product directly. I don't think we're ready for that step. We could also verify recommended suppliers. We can check their credentials, make sure that we're verifying some of those details, or we could clarify requirements. The next step really is to just send inquiries to these suppliers so that we can get this ball rolling. So I'm going to click this option and submit it. So it has presented us with a question that it wants us to answer. What certification safety standards do you require? It does have a recommendation for this, the Consumer Product Safety Improvement Act for the US. So I am going to click that one. It does have 2 other questions. We can see that we've got 2 out of 3 up here. So what are your sample requirements before starting the bulk order? I definitely want a full custom sample because I'm not going to print 500 or 1,000 card decks without proceeding with seeing a full sample. So what is the primary usage or scenario, age, target audience? So I'm just going to submit with that and we'll proceed. Okay, so now it's helping us craft our message. It has identified these 2 sellers. I do want to go back and select a few more, so I am going to amend that in just a second. It's got my specifications with the 44 cards per set, the user instructions. So now we can see the negotiation strategy. It's going to prioritize following up on the unit price. My communication preference is AI auto chat enabled, and then the requirement list there. So I want to confirm. Then I'm just going to ask if we can send inquiries to all of the top 5 suppliers. Okay, and now since I asked it to send inquiries to the top 5 suppliers, it did go ahead and send a chat, an auto chat, which was enabled to each of these 5. Now, if you're wondering where all of the communication takes place, that is taking place on Alibaba.com. So if I want to travel over there, here we can see the inquiry that was sent through auto chat, which had all of my specs that I was looking for. We can see the response here, and then it's responded with, we need a quote for 500 set. It also added the specs there. And then can you do a full custom printed sample first? And what's the lead time? So now we have a response that says, yes, we can. This one's in the works already. We can see that we have another one over here, the same process. There was my inquiry. We can see that we've got the response, again, following up with what we are looking for. And then we're already getting some information here. the lead time 15 to 30 days. Custom samples are available. We can see that this is still working in time. We've also got another inquiry, and we can see that it's been sent, but we don't have a response yet. So what's really nice about this is that it can definitely handle multiple chats all at the same time. So if you were doing this by yourself, that would take a lot of time with the back and forth, and especially doing it with 5 different suppliers all at once. This is speeding things up significantly. Now, we do understand that it's going to take a little bit of time. I don't necessarily need to sit here and wait for all of these messages to come through because I've got auto chat enabled. Accio Work is doing all of the heavy lifting for me. So I want to jump back to Accio Work interface. Let's just click this to see what it returns back with. So if I say check for any early replies or quotes and send that, we can see that it's coming back to us with our inquiry progress. So I can see seller status. We are negotiating with these 2 companies and we are waiting reply from these 3. So at this point, it does say no blockers or urgent questions from sellers yet, and they're continuing to follow up with them for firm pricing and lead times. So at this point, there really isn't much more that I can do at this moment. We're going to take a little pause in the video, and then I'm going to check back a little later and see what kind of information that we now have and if we have any quotes yet. All right, I am back and this is day 2. Before I went to bed, I actually checked in and I looked to see if there were any questions that needed to be answered, if there was any outstanding information that I hadn't given up front that was required to continue the negotiations. One of them was about shipping, so I needed to give my zip code so that we could get that pricing calculated as well. So let's jump over to Alibaba.com and check out the messages that were sent overnight. So from the initial inquiry for this manufacturer, there was some questions about the weight of the paper. And so they were suggesting a heavier weight because of the foil edge would work better. So there is some price negotiations that are happening here, which is really interesting to see actually, because I think a lot of us will just take the price and not necessarily negotiate. And to have a tool that's doing that for you, I think the mental stress that completely alleviates is amazing. So they're still working on some price quotes from them. And then I can check out my other vendors. And then it looks like there's some certification pricing that we're looking at there that we're going back and forth with. And then it looks like on this one, we've reached the stage where they're sending template files so that if I do want to move forward with this manufacturer, I could actually get the art started and prep. I am starting to see all of this communication and the price negotiations. Now, if you're at a place and you're like, okay, well, now I have to sort through everything. No, you don't. Let's go back to Accio Work and I'm going to show you that it's going to summarize all of these messages for me. Here's where we're at with the sourcing expert. They have identified a top choice based on price and paper. If I want to see that chat detail, I can just click that link and then I can look through that. But we can see that the total bulk of the cost, the specs of the paper, which is the sturdiest option, the sample. This is information that I'm going to have to take back and analyze and see which direction I really do want to go, because having all of this information, which was just done for me by the Accio Sourcing Toolkit, this is incredible. So I'm looking at all of these costs. I do think that shipping is also going to matter because the way that it's shipped and the timing of that, these are all things that I'm going to need to process. But look at this. So we've got all of the 5 different sellers there. They're still in that negotiating status, but we can see the summary of the prices right here. So that's amazing that it's already accumulating that information into one easy spot. If I do want to go ahead and move forward with anything, I could accept this quote and request a sample, which that would be a nice thing to have as well. Then it looks like we have another update with some more manufacturers that have come back with their pricing. So we're still in the negotiation phase, but the fact that I really haven't been that hands-on with this is incredible because it's continuing to do all of the work for me. So I'm really actually very excited about this tool. Accio Work is not going to make any decisions for me. It's not going to order anything for me. I am in complete control of the direction that I move forward. And so once I feel ready, all I would need to do is accept one of these offers. So very exciting. And I just see unlimited potential here when it comes to sourcing products. So if you're tired of losing days to supplier time zones, tired of chasing updates, and tired of spending hours managing sourcing conversations, this is a workflow worth seeing for yourself. Accio Work is creating a new way to source products by helping businesses automate the repetitive parts of procurement while keeping humans in control of the decisions that matter. If you'd like to try it yourself, download the Accio Sourcing Toolkit today at axio.com/work. And with the latest capabilities inside Accio Work, users now have a new way to fully automate the sourcing process from supplier discovery to negotiation, follow-up, and trade execution. Check out the link below and see what happens when the sourcing team takes the night shift. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.